Terry McAuliffe announced today that he is expanding voting rights for convicted felons throughout the Commonwealth.
This decision allows felons to apply for their rights sooner. Loren Thomas joins us now with more. Loren?
Guys, this is a big announcement for people who did spend time in jail and are trying to get back on their feet. Governor McAuliffe announced the decision this morning, and some felons could restore their rights as soon as they're released. In Virginia, only the governor can restore a felon's right to vote, and it used to take half a decade before they could apply for that right. But that all changed as Friday morning Governor Terry McAuliffe announced that he's cutting the waiting period for violent felons to apply for reinstatement of rights from 5 years down to 3. Attorney General Mark Herring spoke on the issue while visiting UVA's law school today, saying that it's important to protect people's rights rather than to take them away.
If they're nonviolent felons, they've paid their debt to society, and we expect them to get their wheels back on the right track.
But this change does raise a few concerns for lawmakers.
We are giving them the right to sit on a jury, which is part of the civil rights, that much sooner, and also the other civil rights that come with it. I think that it's not unreasonable to say that if you've committed such a violent offense, that it makes sense to wait 5 years before we say, okay, I think that you've got your life together, you can have your rights restored.
Governor McAuliffe also changed the way drug crimes are classified, as they will no longer be an automatic violent felony. Now, nonviolent drug offenders will be able to apply to have their rights restored as soon as they finish their sentence. The director of the Legal Aid Center in Charlottesville says this is a step in the right direction.
350,000 people are disenfranchised in Virginia as a result of these provisions, and 1 in 5 African American adults is disenfranchised as a result of the drug provisions. And so this is going to go a long way toward making that better.
Governor McAuliffe has already restored the rights of more than 800 Virginians since the beginning of his term. Reporting live in the Newsplex, Loren Thomas, CBS 19 News.